Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block a number on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the phone app, and then over here if we have the number saved in the contacts, then we need to go to the specific contact, tap on this information icon, then go to more in the bottom right corner, and over here you should have the block contact text. So if you press it, then you need to confirm that you want to block it, and there we go, the number has been blocked. On the other hand, if you have been receiving calls from a number that is not saved, then you can, for instance, go to recent, and then you need to tap on the phone number, press this icon, this gray one, and then over here at the bottom you have block. So if you press it, then one more time you need to confirm it, and there we go, the number is blocked. Now if you want to simply add a number to the list of blocked numbers, then you can go to the top right corner and tap on these three dots, then go to settings. Over here choose block numbers, and finally here you can add a phone number. So we can enter the number that we want to block, press this plus button, and there we go, the number has been blocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.